Our journey is not complete until our gay brothers and sisters are treated like anyone else under the law.
We're going to move a step closer to everyone enjoying these rights.
Is there impulse within Congress right now, not just for the freedom of marriage, but to address these fundamental inequalities?
According to a new study from the Williams Institute at UCLA.
The Williams Institute at the UCLA School of Law.
Researchers at the Williams Institute estimate that
people don't stop discriminating just because they should. They do it because people explain facts and give them facts.
The Williams Institute has opened the doors for a dialogue across the entire nation.
It's amazing that UCLA, through the Institute, is playing this powerful role in promoting equality.
What a visionary really is someone who sees opportunity where other people don't.
Chuck Williams saw the need for a think tank that would provide credible research on LGBT issues, hoping to affect policy in a fair and practical manner. So he created the Williams Institute, the first and only academic research center focusing on sexual orientation and gender identity law and public policy. The Institute produces and disseminates research and develops tomorrow's leaders.
It really was visionary 13 years ago. Chuck realized the facts are what we're going to move the LGBT rights movement forward, and he had the faith that good research would support LGBT rights.
Chuck chose to partner the Williams Institute with UCLA School of Law, a world-class institution consistently ranked among the top law schools nationwide. To date, the Williams Institute has directly trained over 3,000 judges across the nation on LGBT issues, testified before Congress about the need for a federal law to protect LGBT workers, and produced key research that helped determine the outcome of the Supreme Court ruling on the Defense of Marriage Act.
It is our obligation to serve the greater public good by going out and tackling problems that other people might not address. And that's precisely what the Williams Institute did. Over 10 years ago, you looked at the landscape of America, and it was clear that it was a landscape of inequality. And what the Williams Institute did when no one else did was to step up and do the research and be a voice. And as a result, we have seen the landscape transformed.
I guess what I get the most joy out of when people come up and say, whether they're members of the legislature, whether they're members of Congress, whether they're members of the state, what you guys are doing is fantastic. That really is great. It makes your heart warm and you feel good.
I think the work of the Institute has really been critical in advancing LGBT rights in a number of areas.
We look specifically at different issues of workplace discrimination,
criminal law reform,
preventing hate crimes.
They've looked at questions of adoption,
marriage equality,
the disparities in income.
And they have looked beyond the borders of the United States to international questions of fairness and equality.
Having the experience at the Williams Institute has just opened my eyes to a bunch of different issues, and I hope through our work that we're bringing that same information to everybody else in the country.
One of the things that Chuck Williams has taught us is that when we see a problem, we can make a difference. We can become not just bystanders to history, but agents of destiny.
He's given over $15 million to the Institute, but he's also shown up from the very beginning to be the Williams Institute's greatest ambassador.
Whenever I'm talking to philanthropists, I say, do it while you're alive. And don't just write checks, but get involved and see what it's doing.
He is a role model for every philanthropist. He said, I want to make a difference, and I want to leave a legacy.
The Institute has done an awful lot to change policy and is poised to do more. The Williams Institute really has only begun in one sense, because we've made enormous strides, but God, we got a long way to go. And we're poised to do it all. I mean, there's no way to hold us back now.